right, ladies and gentlemen. So the price decided to break our 55, right? A little bit before the open. Okay. So, oh my God, really? Yeah, that's right. Okay, so we're gonna pay attention to to the 51. All right, 51, 51. Remember 51. Okay, let's do it. Okay. Let's do it. Okay, so price broke to the upside, and we believe that we're gonna make 15 points. Do we not? Well, we believe we're gonna make 15 points on a break of that 55. Alrighty then. Okay. All right. Okay. Okay. 5. Okay. All right. Okay. All right. Okay. Price goes to 57, right? Okay. Remember that we have 51 now is the it's support. We believe that okay, okay, hold on a second. All right. Okay. All right. Okay. All right. So we believe that the break is going to be to the upside. That's what we believe, all right? So 51 is the support. Okay. All right. Remember what I told you. Break of 55 is going to go to 56 and 57. It's going to be stopped every single one of the next level in terms of 1 point.
CAPI, I have a
Alright.
bigger bear
Okay.
in bully too.
Uh-huh. Okay. Right. Okay. 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 Ladies and gentlemen, let's see. Okay. Quarter. Okay. Okay, my friends. All right. Okay, so we all know that we are going to have a hard time at 55, right? We've known it for half an hour already. Okay, so, okay. And we've been trying to figure out which way, in terms of direction, is the price actually looking to go. All right, price broke 55 a couple of minutes before the open. All right, so we believe that it's going to continue. All right, that's what we believe, right? Okay. All right. Okay, that's what we believe, that it's going to continue to the upside, and we're looking for 15 points all the way to, ¿qué fue lo que dije yo? 70.
Yep.
All right, okay, 70. Clean break of the low, 51. Oh, it's not 51, it's 52, right? Yeah, 52. Clean break of 52. All bets are off, because then price is going to 51, 50, and then 46. It's on its way to 39 by way of the low, of course, 46 right there, by way of the low, 46. Ready? Okay. For that to happen, ladies and gentlemen, there needs to be a clean, nice break of 52. 52. Okay, 52. But we believe that it's the high, the one that is going to be broken. So we prefer to be, Jesus Christ. Okay, time right now 9:34. All right, we okay. All right then. Okay. All right then. Okay, 52. Jesus Christ. All right, ladies and gentlemen. All right, big time chop. 9:35, and price takes 55. Yeah, sure. Those of us who had a limit, a buy limit 55, expecting the price to continue going all the way to 70 so that we can make 15 points. Right now we are in a pickle, aren't we, Steve?
Yes, we are.
Right? Because price goes to 56 and 57, but I told you that on the way up it's gonna be stopped every single 1 point. Isn't that exactly what I said?
That is exactly what you said.
And look what happened. It's just right. But we still believe that alrighty. We still believe that that being long, a little longer term, is the ticket. Now, below 55, we know, in other words, ladies and gentlemen, chop, our worst enemy. That period. That's all there is to it. Okay, that we've had since 9 when I opened the mic. All righty. Okay. Okay, ladies and gentlemen. So terrific, right? Which is price goes to 51.25. We're long 52. Remember what I told you, and expecting this area right here to hold. If it goes right back down, get the hell out, because we know that it's going to 39. All right, but it needs to clean break 52. It needs to break 52. All right, and look at it. Boom, no break. Here again, no break. It goes to 51. It takes all the stops, right? Because remember, all the teenagers on YouTube on their fake demo account, they thought that it was going to continue going down, so they sold 52. And right now that the price bounced to 53, they're all getting out, right? You're losing 1 point, 2 points, right? We, on the other hand, believe that that the price is eventually going to continue and it's going to 70. Well, that's it. If it doesn't do it from here, we get the hell out, break even, and let's just continue waiting to for the market to reveal itself. Is it going to happen? It doesn't look like it's going to happen because the chop that we're on right now. Alrighty, so it looks like we're going to have to wait until 10 for the consumer confidence release coming. All right, so this is one of those days that that we're going to have to change hats. And remember what I always say, you know, those open that you have to change hat too much, you know, trouble is coming, right? But that's, you know, a clean break of 52, we have to change hat, be bearish, expect the price to continue all the way to 39, right? And then what's our worst enemy? Chop, right here, right now. Going down a couple of ticks below, going down a couple of ticks below. There is no follow through, alrighty, but you know. So now this 51.25 is the one that needs to be taken, right? We want to see it off of 52. We want to see a clean cut break 52, All right, and then of course we know that the price just went to 51 quarter to take all the stops, of the retail traders. So so that's no man's land right there. Okay, but the important thing is the ability to change hats. Okay, because a clean break to the downside, at least we know it's going to 39, right? It's like mathematics, right? Below 55, the bears are the ones in control, period. And they want to take it to 39. However, we saw a fake breakout. So far, it's a fake breakout to the high that led us to believe that buying the low, like we did right there, 51.5, 52, that the price went all the way to 53.75 was an okay play. All right? Because we buy tops, bottoms, and everything in between. Oh, okay. So price comes right back down, continue messing with everybody here, but it's a break of 52, right? Now, remember what I told you, 51, 52, it's no man's land. It's no man's land. However, price below 55 now is telling us that it's going to test the low, 46, and continue to 39. That's why we have to take a chance. We have to short right here, this 52, and expect a continuation all the way to 39. We had to change that. And, okay, right? And the most important thing is what I told you. It's when we had to change hats too many times, you know that there is no follow through. All right, there's a lot of okay, it's a lot of all right. So nice, right? So that's 49, and we won 10 more points. Now we're short, and we are expecting the price to go to 39. So we want 10 more points below this low right here. Is it gonna be an easy peasy?
Most
Not
likely.
exactly. Alrighty, but that's what we have. Okay. Oh my God, Cappy, how about what if, if buying 51, 52 was good, why don't we buy right here 49? It's chop. Buy the low, sell the high, and it's total scalping. Okay? Because it's not going to 39 in a straight shot. That's not going to happen. Look at it. All right? So it also works. Okay? But remember that we have an edge. And we believe in the future. We are predictors. And now we are predicting that that it is to the downside where the price is going to go. Oh my God, but Cappy, look at that bounce off of 50, man. Yeah, 50, 53, 3 points. That's not bad. Chop. It's called chop. Okay? All right. So, long story short, this type of chop, buying the low, it's okay. Selling the high, it's okay too. For scalping, longer term, we believe is now we change hats to bear, and now we believe that is a down move, the one coming. Is it possible that we change hats back to bull on a action like this, Mr. Do you think?
Of course.
All right. Well, you hang in there and wait for me to tell you.
Okay.
That's all there is to it. Okay, so we're gonna bring our 52. Remember 52? We wanted a clean break of 52. It's 53 now. Okay, 53. Okay, 53. All right. So as long as the price is below 55, good, and as long as the price is below 53, all right. That's an odd enhancer. Taking this 49, 53, these 4 points right here, that's not going to be easy. We've known it for 45 minutes. But That's what we believe is going to happen. A continuation down to 39. Okay. Right? 55, 54, right? So entry short 57, right? 57, right? The high, what I've been telling you all morning. Let's go ahead and short resistance. Don't be afraid of the way the price went up. That's just the smart money scaring the GBEVs of the retail trader, of the scare money. All right. We, on the other hand, we're totally prepared to take it. All right. And all right, so let's manage it. We know that this thing can turn around and go all the way to 70. We know that. Well, we're not going to let it happen, do we? All right. Right. 57 short, right? We just went ahead and took it. And we are still expecting the price to go to 39, right? So that's 18 points now that we are on the lookout for. So that's our goal, 18 points. Oh my God, CAPI, 18 points on a day like today with this massive chop? Yeah, that's right. You know, as long as the price doesn't destroy the high, that's what we're gonna do our best to let it ride to. Okay. Alrighty then. So I'm gonna repeat that. Being short above 55 is catching a top, which we don't have any issue with that because we do it every day. Right? Our system trades tops, bottoms, and everything in between. So we don't have any issue with that. Price destroys 57, 58 with the hell out. And then we'll probably wait for some support and look ourselves. We have to see how it takes it and then seek to buy support, expecting the continuation all the way to 70. You know, that's it. In the meantime, just hang in there, be patient, be strong. If we see a fake breakout, price breakout, come right back down, we know that it's a stuff fishing, and we still want to be sure, right? Okay. All right, so we gave it a shot. We shorted 57. He gave us 3-4 points right here. He went right back up, clean break of 57. We know it's going to 70, right? So we changed hats once again, and this clean break of 57, we knew that 59 was going to stop it, right? It was the first resistance. Okay, momentum takes it to 60, comes right back down, and would you call this a clean break? Yes. Where is the price going? 70, right? So the buy limit 57 is looking for 13 points, all the way to 13. Our job, now that we change hats again, back to bullish. Remember, we were bullish before, but we knew that we were going to be shaking and stir and both, right? So we're gonna trade what we see. We went with the current force at the open, and then we changed hats to bearish, and that's why we saw resistance right here, 57. That gave us 4 points. But we also know, expecting the price to continue going all the way down, right? It didn't, but we are prepared because we know that there's a lot of manipulation right here. Look at this parabolic move. We know, we've known since 9 this morning that a clean break of the high, price is going to continue going to 70. That's our edge. We not only know where the price is going, but how it's going to get there. So, breakout 57. We are long 57, and we are expecting the price to continue to 70. So we want to make 13 points on this trade, long breakout 57, which the first time we shorted it, right? Because we wanted to short resistance, buy support, short resistance, buy support on this narrow range, right? We knew that there was going to be a break of one of the two. We were expecting to the downside. It doesn't matter. What's important is having the discipline to do what your system tells you to do. And our system told us at 9 a.m. this morning, so in other words, an hour and a half ago that when the price finally break the high, it was going to continue to 70. We've known 70 for an hour and a half, haven't we? All right. Change hats, be long, and let it ride to 70, first target, by the way. That's it. All right. Okay. So why is that so important? Well, I mean, we've been in an out of balance condition for almost 2 hours, since 9. Now the State of the Union right now, all these different forces are coming together, and they're giving us the odds, right? And the odds are, now that the market is balanced, and we are on a follow-through continuation condition, then we believe that it's going to take a little bit of time, and it's not going to, and we all know how it's going to get there, but we believe that the market, it's on its way to target 2, right? Target 1 is 70. We haven't reached 70 yet by 1 point, right? So the play is that break of 57 that we've known since 9 a.m. 57, break of 57, price is about 55. The 55 that we've, the divider today, that we were expecting 15 points from 55 to 70. But we are trading what we see, which is the clean break of 57. Yeah, sure, we took a shot 60 short, just in case, right? But we took it, we get the hell out long because we know it's going to go to 70, right? And then this condition, the State of the Union, is now telling us that there are good odds, not good, but okay odds, that the market is on its way to target 2. So what's our job now? Is to let it ride all the way to, let's see what target 2 is, and let it ride. Is it possible that it'll never take 70? Of course it is. What time it is right now? 11:17. What happens at 11:30? Official chop begins. And that's why we want to make in 2 hours what most people make in 2 months, right? All the way to 11:30, 9:30 to 11:30, which is we take advantage of the volatility. What happened next then? Well, those of us who don't play golf, those of us who don't have another job, those of us who love trading, those of us who's going to stay here all day long, we're going to manage the position now. And we're going to be looking to see what target 2 is, target 2 above 70, and we're going to trail support, and we're going to try to reach target 2. All righty? That's one of the conditions. Now, what's another condition? Well, the total environment, right? We like it when the world is in a two-dimensional environment. It's not in a two-dimensional environment. Right now we are in limbo. You all know what limbo is, right? Oh my God, yeah, that's right. That's where we are at right now, in limbo. Well, it's okay. As long as we know all the different conditions there are, then we're gonna play it. We are on management right now, right? We are in number 6, trade management. Let's go to target 2. Let's find out which one it is, and it'll take forever, all day long, so be it. All right, let's see. As long as the price is going our way, we believe that we're going to get target 2, which we don't know what target 2 is yet, but I will know pretty soon. Right? Oh, okay. All right. Well, what is the medium-term direction? What is it? It's bullish. Oh, really? Yeah, that's right. No big deal. That doesn't mean much. It's better that the current condition is bullish than sideways or bearish, because we are managing a breakout 57, and we are going to let it ride. Every teenager and old timer, all those traders wannabe, all the pretenders on YouTube, they're going to tell you that the secret of profitable trading is let it ride winners and cut the losers fat, but they don't tell you how to do it.
I'm telling you right here, right now, exactly how we're going to do it. Everybody knows the myth, right? But we prefer math over myth. It's a big difference right there, isn't it? I prefer math over myth. Alrighty then. Let me go ahead and look for target 2 then. Anyway, so this is my humble opinion, right? So target 2, don't count on target 2 to be a Lamborghini target, right? No, we are still on a massive chop, sideways, pretty much price action, okay? Look at that parabolic play from 50. Look at that break of 55, hour 55. Look at it, right? All the way from price pullbacks all the way to 54, 1 point below hour 55, and bam, and it breaks. Beautiful. That's our cue that change hat back to bull. We can still show resistance because we need to see the clear break resistance, but we saw the clean break all the way from 54, right? So change hat direction back to bull. We've known it since 9 a.m. and look how it takes it, right? From 54 all the way to 69. 69 minus 54, that's 15 points in 15 seconds, right? Look at it, 15 points in 15 seconds, right? After being in a 7-point range for 2 hours, right? So that, my friends, is the smart money destroying who? Not the teenagers on YouTube, because they don't trade for real, and the old timers, all those big marketers, those who make millions every day, they don't trade for real either. So who is the smart money destroying? Well, it's destroying the unfocused. Correct me if I'm wrong, but is that 70? All right, is that 70? I don't know, you tell me, right? Okay, it's 70, 75. Oh, gee whiz. Oh my God, Cappy, unbelievable, man. All right, so it looks, you just told us 2 minutes ago that the odds are that not only we're going to get target 1, but we should be looking for target 2. Isn't that what you said, Cappy, a little while ago? Yeah, that's exactly correct. All right, but I want you to know also that the target 2 is not going to be a Lamborghini. It's not going to be, a lot of points, all right? So target 2, my friends, is, stay tuned because I still don't have it, all right? Hold on a second. Let's go ahead and take advantage of target 1 right here, right? Target 1, okay, target 1. Let's go ahead and put it, target 1, right? Okay, and we all know that target 1 is resistance, right? And what do we do at resistance? We buy support and we sell resistance. Okay, so any shorts that we take here, 71, which is okay to take it, we can take it because we do it every single day. It's a counter trend. Are you sure? No, Cappy, I'm not good. This market is too sneaky, man. I'm not gonna take a counter trend. Don't take it. You don't have to. However, you know our system, and you know that if I tell you this is target 1, it's for a reason. It's because I'm expecting the price not to destroy it, and there's gonna be a small chance that if we want to counter trend it, we're gonna make a couple of bucks. That's it. So what do we do many times? Oh, okay, 70. Look at the way it took it. Oh my God, it went to 71.25. I'm gonna take a shot. That 71 right here. Give myself a little bit of room to short this high that we always do. Boom, price goes to 71.25, and it's got to go back right to 69. You don't have to take it. No, Cappy, I want to go with the trend. Terrific. Are you kidding me? With the trend? What the hell does that mean? I'm going with the trend. Nobody knows what the trend is. The trend is your friend until it's not anymore. So I'm going with the trend. What trend? Your trend is different than my trend, and my trend is different than the other trend. Our trend right here in this room is the one that I tell you. That's the real trend. And that's the one that we're going to play. Right? Derelicts and all these master traders, 18, 19, 20 year old, these college kids, they talk about trend. They have no clue what a trend is. They really don't. They don't know what it is. They see the price. Oh, higher, low, higher, low. They think that that's a trend. That's a trend until it's not anymore. Isn't it? All right, so stay tuned. Let me see what target 2 is. All righty then. So target 2 is 81. Can you believe that? That's right. 81 is target 2. Chances are that we're going to make it a range, 81, 83. But 81 is the low of the 2-point range, 81, 83. Target 2, 81. Our job is to let our second unit ride all the way to 81. That's our job. Time right now. Oh, 11:30. Yes, 11:30. Okay, so trail it, right? Boom, break, 73. Come on, baby. Give me 81. I know that we're expecting 81, but I'm telling you, if you're going to tell me that by way of 77 and you mean it, I'm not trading scared money. I take a shot, counter trend shot with a small position with the micro, 77. Look at that drop. Boom, almost 73, right? That's a couple of points. While we wait for the price to go to 81, why not take a chance? Right? Look at that drop off of 77. Not to mention that 45 seconds ago, I told you, listen, this is generally what usually kind of most of the time when you're looking at it happens. By way of, which is 77, that I gave it to you just now, a while ago. This is how the smart money does it, because they know the importance of 77. They need to take all the stops of the weak retail trader before they continue to 81. And this is how they do it. Where they do it at the by way of, which today is 77. So remember that we are all about taking advantage of every single move the market does, right? The market goes up and down. It never goes up substantially without pullbacks and rallies. So we want to take advantage of every single move that we can think of. If we think that the price is going to, just because we are long and we're target 281, what, is it going to go there to 81 straight line? That's not going to happen. What's the level that it'll be worth it to counter trend it? 77, the one that I told you. Look the way it did. All right, but that's just professional traders, us here. All right, scare money, they're not gonna do that, right? So it's not just scare money. It's perfectly fine to let it ride to target 2 with no counter trending. It's okay. Remember that we are a trend following and a scalp methodology here, all right? So we can do both. So if you are a trend following, no CAPI, blinders, I'm on my way to target 2, I'm gonna trail it. That's it. I want to focus on concentration. I just want to go to 81. I don't want to reach too much. It's perfectly fine. We are a trend following. Now, trend following day traders. I'm not talking about Warren Buffett. We're not Warren Buffett here. We're in and out the same day. All right? 2 hours sometimes when there is beautiful volatility. All righty? So it's okay too, in other words. That's what I'm saying. All right? Let me put it to you this way. Who knows? There's no guarantee that we're going to get target 2, right? So, hello? There's no guarantee that we're going to take target 2. So, let's take advantage of the retracement. And that retracement, ladies and gentlemen, you know very well, it could be the beginning of a new trend. So we, if you do what I'm telling you every single day, at the end of the day, at the end of the week, at the end of the month, at the end of the year, you'll show your P&L to your friend, and they're not gonna believe it, because there is not one single system in the world that does what we do here. There isn't. All right? And those professional traders that do the same thing that we do here, they don't share it with civilians. They don't. I'm the only one that share it with civilians. I'm telling you, nobody shares this with anybody. I've been doing it for going on 40 years now. So are you kidding me? I'm more than happy to share it with civilians. Look at that, 77 quarter, one take above our resistance by way of 77. One tick. You take a shot short 77, and you had a razor sharp entry. One tick of hit. Okay, ladies and gentlemen. 73, right? 73. Where the hell is 73? Here it is. 73. 73 is the tillage. It's a tillage for the 81. And I just told you what time it is. It's 12. Are you kidding me? 12:07. It's noon. Right? Those bulls still holding a long position to 81. This level right here, 68, is extremely important. All right? 68 is a divider. We all know the time. It's 12:25. Okay? This level right here, 68, 69, is a divider. It's going to divide the price action today. Okay? So below 69, it doesn't invalidate the breakout that we took and that we are expecting the price to go to 81. It doesn't invalidate it. However, it diminishes the chances that it's going to happen. Why? Because below 68, the bears are really in control, and they're going to be in control if a breaks come, they're going to be in control all the way to the afternoon session. All right, clean break, and then it's going to go all the way to 63. 69, it's going to go 6 points down. With a clean break, it'll go all the way to 63. First leg. So the bulls are not going to be in control anymore, right? So this level right here, 69, is extremely important for us. I know that by this time we're so out of here, right? We want to make in 2 hours. Well, most people make in 2 weeks, 2 months, whatever. But we need to remember that as long as we are in control, every day is a great day, regardless of the outcome. All right? Remember that. All righty? Clean break of 68. It'll go down to 63. That's 6 points. The bullish position, 81. It doesn't mean that it's not going to happen, but the chances are a lot smaller. Right here, right now. Okay? So, those of us who are short the 77 counter trend by way of are pretty happy, right? Look at it. 77 all the way to 68. That's 9 points on a counter trend while we wait for the price to go to target 2. We're also making some dough there. And remember that the 77 was a razor sharp entry because it only went to 77 quarter. Think about it. Right? Right. Alrighty then. So what do we want, those of us who have a counter trend short 77? We want a clean break of right here, 69, because we know that the odds are that it's going to continue going all the way to 63. So 77 minus 63, we're looking to make 14 points on this counter trend short by way of 77. Think about it. Right? That's pretty good. Are you kidding me? I had to come back, right? I had to come back. Right, look at that. Isn't it beautiful? At this time of day, our system still, at this time of day, ladies and gentlemen, our system is still calls the market beautifully. Look at that. Is that 62 quarter? What did I say? Didn't I say 63? Didn't I say 63? What is that low right there? It's 62 quarter, right? Oh, Jesus Christ. All right, ladies and gentlemen, 77 minus 63. I just told you, we're going to make 14 more points on the break of this 69. It's unbelievable. Right? So listen, as long as you are in complete control of what you're doing, because you know that the market is predictable, every day is a great day regardless of the outcome. Because remember, we measure ourselves with the discipline that we have to follow through with what our system tell us to do. And as long as we do it, we've seen our system winnings, right? So chances are that it's going to be pretty good for us.